guys, it's Chris here with ACN back at beautiful Six Flags Magic Mountain to see how the construction is going on the Wonder Woman Flight of Courage. Let's go check it out. All right, here we are. What an insane amount of progress they made in the past week. It's almost twice as high and they have several sections of track in place. Currently not working that I can see, but this looks really nice. Seeing pictures and POV of Jersey Devil really does no justice for how crazy the clearance is here. It's so tight with this turnaround that goes around the supports for the dive loop. I don't know. People are saying it's not going to be as good as the smaller ones, and I can maybe see that, but this looks like a heck of a lot of fun. All right, we got a guy going back in the crane and on the lift here, so more work's gonna happen. This is awesome. So right now they're adding another plate that joins the two pieces of track. You can see a couple more that are sitting down here on the ground. By the looks of it, they're probably going to be adding some more track here today. That's my totally uneducated guess. But I could always go check with the Dippin' Dots guy as well. And as you can see over here, they pre-attach one of the plates, so when they put up the next piece of track, all they have to do is just align it and bolt that other section in. With this piece done, it's on to the next. Let's see what they got going on here. They're hooking up another piece to the crane. Right now I think they were just trying to reposition it because they've raised it and they've let it down a few times and they've rotated it. We also had some guys that were over here on the two lifts just a little bit ago, and they're down now. They've added a winch in between the support and the track. I'm guessing that's just so they can make micro adjustments when they're putting on the next piece there, when they're lining it up with other support there that they're going to attach the new track to. What it looks like right now is that they are discussing on how to maneuver this piece when they lift it up. They've rotated it. Yeah, you can see the worker there. He's kind of discussing with the other guys on how they're going to bring the track piece and kind of weave it through those supports as they lift it up. They also need to rotate this. The piece there to the left, on the left side of the track there, you can see where there's where the plate's gonna go. And back down again. As you can see, it's really close to hitting that support there. So they're having to be very, very careful about how they rotate this in order to get it out. I'm guessing this is probably one of the more complex areas of the coaster that they're going to have to build. Well, right now it's almost 12:30. The guys just walked away from the site. The gentleman there just got out of the crane. So I'm guessing that they're going on lunch right now, and they'll be back. I'm anticipating this section of track being put up before the end of the day. So I'll check back later.
1 hour later.
The guys are back from lunch, and they're giving this another go. Let's see if it goes up. The track is now facing in the correct direction in order to attach it there, but they're still going to need to bring the line for the crane around the support here somehow. They're still maneuvering it. But they got it clear of the support that was on the ground that they were having issues with. Okay, we got the guys back here where they're going to attach the next track piece. Up, up, and away! Wrong superhero. It sure is a lot easier building in Roller Coaster Tycoon. So yeah, it's really tight there where they're going to have to go around the support. And almost there. There it goes. might be hard to tell on the video, but that track is ever so slightly pulling towards them. They almost have it lined up, almost there. And now it's just a matter of getting all the bolts in. They already have one completely in. He's working on another. Get a better view over here. But there's still a lot of work to do after they attach that together. They got to attach it to the support. And then down through over here, they have another support to attach it to. I'm guessing this is probably going to be the rest of their day. And now they're loosening up the winch because there's still a little bit of a gap, I'm guessing. Yep. So there's a little bit of a gap there between the track and the support. Not much has changed on this side of things, but they do have the exterior sheathing, foam insulation on the station. So that's different from last time. Last time it was just the steel framing. And then yeah, just the supports there for the brake run. And then when I took a ride on Riddler, I was able to look down and they have all the supports for the transfer track area, the storage track area. So there's that. And looking in this direction, they've done some more work on the facade to the left of the old Wonder Woman ride, which, I don't know, maybe they'll theme it to Green Lantern. And now they're just working on attaching it to the lower support. And after that, this section will be done. Although there still is a plate that's going to go on the other side of this connection here. It's kind of hard to see. There's a little bit of a gap where the seam is, and you can see there's some light that's coming through there. They also still have to connect it to the support up here. My guess is that they're going to be wrapping up for the day. It's almost 3:30, and they will leave this for tomorrow. I was informed that this piece over here that they were working on this morning was put in yesterday or a day prior to today, at least. And then today they were just tightening it up. So it looks like at this moment it's one section of track a day. Hopefully the pace picks up sooner than later. Regardless, it's nice to see go up. All right. From Wonder Woman at Six Flags Magic Mountain, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Bye. I know what you're thinking. Chris, how are you going to do an update on Magic Mountain and not tell us about the restrooms under construction? Well, folks, you asked for it. Here you go. All right. Thank you for watching. If you like my kind of random content, consider subscribing. It's much appreciated. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye.